My adventure today is making a Ribollita. It is a Tuscan vegetable soup, perfect for a Friday during Lent. My adventure will be preparing the vegetables, carrots, celery, red onion, garlic, all to sweat those in the Instant Pot, to open them up to let their flavors release before I add them to the roux and let them sit all day. This will be served tonight alongside one of my recipes of macaroni and cheese. I'm really looking forward to this adventure and trying this new recipe. Thanks for joining me in Father's Kitchen. So all of the vegetables are chopped for the Ribollita. We have here in the Instant Pot carrots, celery, red onion, some chopped garlic, and a little bit of red pepper flakes. I'm going to sweat those in the Instant Pot for 10 or 12 minutes, not browning them, but just kind of bringing out the flavors. And then we'll put them in the roux for the rest of the soup. So this has been sauteing in the Instant Pot for about 10 or 11 minutes. It's starting to kind of break down a little bit. I'm going to pull it off soon because we don't want it to brown. We just want to open up all of the pores on the vegetables so all the flavors soak through. So we're just sweating the vegetables. We're not browning or cooking them. So after they've been on, in a little bit of red pepper, celery, carrots, onion, garlic. I added a little bit of fennel to it just to add a little bit of Italian flavor to it, kind of a little bit of something that'll be nice in the flavor. There's also a pinch of salt in here. And I use the smoked salt that I use just so we can get a little bit of that, my favorite, smoky flavor. I'm gonna pull this off, I'm gonna put it into the crock pots, and then we'll let this soup sit all day. After this has been sitting and slow cooking all day, I'm going to add some tomatoes, lots of kale, and some day-old bread. That will give this a robust flavor and a very hearty stew. Perfect for a Friday in Lent.